Finding GPA by hand. The first thing you need to know is that each one of the letter grades transfers to a number. A's are 4, B's 3, C's 2, D's 1, F's 0. At Fond du Lac, we don't give plus or minuses, so we don't have to worry about those. So then you have to weight the scores by how many credits. So for example, if you get an A in English, that's a 3-credit class. You get more points than if you get an A in College Success, which is only 1 credit. Then at the very end, you divide by the number of credits. Let's do an example. So Susie gets a C in beginning algebra, a B in comp, an A in college prep English. That's the 2-credit English class that's developmental right after the regular college comp. A B in Anishinaabe, a C in public speaking, A in college success, A in learning community orientation, and A in fitness walking. So here's the credits in each one of those classes. And then here's her grade. So in beginning algebra, she got a C, so we put a 2. In college comp, she got a B, that's a 3. A's are 4, B's are 3, C's are 2, D's are 1, F's are 0. Then to get this number, we multiply the credits in the class times the number of the grade she got. So 3 times 2 is 6. And we do that for all of them. So 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. Now we need to add up how many total credits Susie's taking. So if I add up all the credits here, I get 17. This is how many credits many of you are taking as well. Then if I add up how many total points she has, I call it points. So I add up this column and I get 50. So to find Susie's GPA, you do total points divided by total credits. Susie's GPA for this semester is 2.94, usually rounded to 2 decimal places. Let's do another example. Here are Josephine's grades in the same class. So again, we need the credits in each of the classes, which I've filled in. And then we need her grades. So beginning algebra, she got an F. So that's a 0. College comp, she also got an F. That's another 0. College prep English, she got a D. So that's a 1. Anishinaabe Lake Superior, she got a C. So that's 2. Public speaking, D, that's a 1. College success, learning community orientation, and fitness walking were all B's. So then I do the credits times the grade. So beginning algebra was 3 times 0. 3 times 0. Anishinaabe Lake Superior, 3 times 2, 6. So then add up both your columns, find the number of credits. Again, it's 17. And then when I add up this column, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17. So total points divided by total credits equals a 1.0. Josephine only got a 1.0 this semester. Let's look at what would happen if Josephine would have withdrawn instead of getting those 2 F's in beginning algebra and college comp. If she withdraws, a W doesn't count against your GPA. So that reduces the number of credits she took. And now she's got 17 points divided by only the 11 credits. So if she withdraws and takes a W, instead of failing those classes, now she's at a 1.55 average GPA. So withdrawing classes that you're going to fail will give you a better GPA.